Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I will show you how you can set up Flutter in your Windows 10 computer. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So first of all, open your browser and go to flutter.dev. This one is the official website of Flutter, and here we can see the installation guide. So now click on get started, and here we are going to install for Windows. So let's click on Windows, and here you can see system requirements. You can read here operating systems Windows 7 SP1 or later 64-bit times 86 64 bits, and disk space of 1.64 GB is required, and we need Windows PowerShell and Git for Windows. So here I have made a checklist of softwares that we need to set up Flutter. So first one is Visual Studio Code, which we will use as a primary code editor of our Flutter code, and Git, this is for version controlling and it is required by Flutter, and we are going to download Flutter SDK and Android Studio. So let's download this. First of all, we are going to download Visual Studio Code. I will provide the download links in the description. So let's download Visual Studio Code for Windows. And now let's download Git. In the meantime, we can read the documentation. We are going to follow this step. After downloading and installing Git, we are going to clone this GitHub repository. So let's wait till the download will be completed. Okay, let's install Android Studio. I will provide the link to all these softwares in the description, so don't worry. Now click on download Android Studio. I accept all the terms. Click on download, and download is started. I have already downloaded Android Studio in my PC, so I'm going to skip this Android Studio as the file size is high and it takes long time to download. So let me cancel this Android Studio. And VS Code is successfully downloaded. Let's open this. VS Code setup. Click on run and accept the agreement. Next. You can click on that checkbox to create a desktop icon, and now click on next. Now click on install and let's install Git. Let me cancel this download. Okay, let's launch Visual Studio Code. Here you can choose how you like to see Visual Studio Code. So let me choose dark theme. You can skip this one. And now Visual Studio Code is installed successfully in your device. We are going to use it later. So now let's install Git. Click on run and allow permission. Now click on next. Now you can choose this option to show the icon on the desktop. Next, and here you can choose Visual Studio Code as a default editor. I think I have not detected it. Okay, let's leave this for now. Now click on next. And it's installing. Okay, now Git is successfully installed. You can read the documentation if you want. So let's close this for now. As you can see here is a desktop shortcut for Git bash and Visual Studio Code. So let's confirm either Git is working or not. Okay, Git command is working. Yeah, quit command is working. So we are going to download Flutter by using Git. Here you can see. If you don't want to install a fixed version of the installation model, you can skip steps 1 and 2. These steps 1 and 2, and instead get the source code from Flutter repo on GitHub and change branches to or tags needed. For example, yeah, let's copy this and here you can see the warning: do not install Flutter in a directory like C program files that require celebrated privileges. So we are going to download this in C drive. So go to C drive and open Git bash here. Now paste the command that we have just copied. This will download Flutter in this directory. As you can see here, the folder Flutter is created. Okay, let's install Android Studio during this period. So here is my Android Studio. Open this. And allow the request. Now click on next. If you are going to use your physical device, then you can uncheck this Android virtual device, or if you are going to use Android emulator, then you can check on this Android virtual device. So let me leave it unchecked for now. Click on next, on next, and now click on install. Let's see our download progress of Flutter SDK. It's still downloading, 23%, and Android Studio is installed successfully. Let's start Android Studio. You can click on do not import setting. Okay, don't send. This will download original files. Click on next. Okay, you can choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. The standard setup will be taken care by Android Studio itself, and if we choose custom, then we can customize the installation settings and components. So let's go with custom. Click on next. Now click on next. You can choose the theme. Let's choose Darkula, and next. And now if you need Android virtual device, then you can check on this, and these three are required. Now click on next, and you can choose how many GBs of RAM for emulator. Here is 2 GB recommended, so let's go with this. And now click on finish. This will download additional files, so let's wait. It's already 95%. As you can see here, now Flutter SDK is successfully downloaded in our device in the C directory. As you can see here, now we have to add environment variables. So go to Flutter and bin, and now copy this address, Ctrl C, and now go to settings. Here you can search environment variables and click on edit environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Now click on environment variables and go to path and click on new. Click on edit, and here you can add new one. In this field you have to paste, and that we have just copied, c/flutter/bin. Now click on OK, and OK here. Now Flutter is successfully added in the list of environmental variables. And let's check this from command prompt cmd on. Okay, this will download that SDK from Flutter engine, and we can confirm that Flutter is downloaded successfully in our device. So this will take some time, and the download process is quite slow, as my internet is also slow. So let's wait. And Git is working properly. Let's close this, and we have already downloaded Visual Studio Code. This one is also Git also done. Flutter SDK done, and Visual Studio is in progress. As you can see here, we are in the last step. So we can close all this. In the meantime, we can download plugins for Visual Studio Code. So go to the extension marketplace and download these plugins. First one is Flutter. Let's download this. And another one is Dart. It is also installing. And other useful plugins are Bracket Pair Colorizer. This will make deployment process little bit easier. And here is another plugin called Awesome Flutter Snippets. Awesome Flutter Snippets. And this will give code suggestion. As you can see here, if we enter STAT alias SW, then it will generate and enter that code for stateless widget in our code. Let's see download progress in Android Studio. It is quite slow. And that is also downloading here. You can check either your setup works or not by using the command flutter doctor. You can use anything like command prompt or PowerShell or terminal in your Visual Studio Code or Android Studio. I think that is also installed successfully. So let's check with the command flutter doctor. Okay, again downloading started. It's downloading material fonts. As you can see here, Dr. found issues in one category, Android SDK file not found. Okay, it will be automatically solved once the setup for Android Studio will be completed. Let's click on finish, and now we have to add 2 plugins in Android Studio also. So click on configure and click on plugins, and search for flutter. Now click on install. Okay, this is prompting me to install that too, so click on install. Okay, let's restart Android Studio. And let's check. Here you can see Flutter and Dart are in the list of installed plugins. Okay, now let's check again. Flutter doctor. Okay, here we have one issue, Android license not accepted. To resolve this, run flutter doctor Android licenses. So let's accept the Android license. So I'm going to copy this command and paste it right here. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, now click enter. Okay, it is asking me to review licenses that have not been accepted. So enter Y in your keyboard and press enter, and repeat this step till it asks Y enter, Y enter. Okay, all SDK package licenses are accepted. So let's run Flutter Doctor again. As you can see here, there are no issues, and now we can confirm that Flutter is successfully installed in our device, and we are ready to build apps with Flutter. So let's run the demo app. I'm going to create a new folder in desktop named Flutter projects. Okay, Flutter projects, and inside this folder I'm going to create a new Flutter project. So for this, open command prompt in this directory, and here you can use the command flutter create and here you have to enter your project name. So I'm going to add demo app. Sorry, I have a capital letter there. Flutter create demo app. Okay, this will generate the required files for our Flutter project, and now it is successfully the required files are successfully created. As you can see here, there are lots of files inside this demo app. So let's open Visual Studio Code. Okay, first come to this directory demo app. So use the command cd demo app. Now you can use the command code space dot to fire the Visual Studio Code in the current directory. As you can see here, Visual Studio is opened automatically, and you can check on this as I trust the others. Okay, here you can see the code for the demo app. Okay, let's run this. Here I have my Android device connected, or you can run this in web also. So let me do this on web. Run and start debugging. Now you can close the Android Studio. Make sure that you do not uninstall the Android Studio, as it is required by Flutter. You can do your coding in Visual Studio Code, as this one is lightweight and it is quite fast than Android Studio. So if you prefer using Android Studio, then you can also code with Android Studio. It completely depends upon you which integrated development environment to choose. Okay, let's wait. As you can see here, Flutter demo app is successfully built on web and it is completely working. Whenever I press on this icon, the count is increasing. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.